gonna decorate toilet paper rolls for Easter. The first thing I need to do for my chicken is to take another toilet paper roll and a piece of yellow construction paper. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing we did for our bunny. Roll the paper around the roll, tape it down, and roll it up like a burrito. All right, the next thing we want to do is put some eyeballs on our chicken. Glue on the back and place it on your chicken. Remember, you want to put it on the opposite side as the tape. Very nice. Now our chicken has eyeballs, but I think it needs a beak too. All you need to do is just cut a small triangle. Time to glue the beak onto the chicken. So I'm going to put it on right in the middle of the face, right below the eyeballs. Time to put some feathers on the top. I'm going to take my feathers, I'm going to hold them in the arrangement that I want so that the bottoms of the feathers are all touching in one place. And I'm going to take a big piece of tape. You take the top of your chicken, you put the feathers where you want them to go, hold them in place, and press the tape down. And now our chicken has some feathers on its head. And the last thing we need to do is put on some feet. So for that, we need our orange construction paper one more time. Now, just like for the bunny, we're gonna draw little feet. Now I'm gonna cut them out. Time to tape the feet onto the chicken. Get a piece of tape, and just like we did for the bunny's feet, put the tape so that half the tape is on top of the feet and the other half is sticking out just like that. And stick it on the inside of the toilet paper roll where you want the chicken's feet to poke out. We made a chicken! Look at this little cutie!